Okay, students. So now we'll do some problems in the transformations, trigonometry transformation problems. So we'll begin with exercise 2 first question. So we have sine 21 with multiplied with cos, sine and cos under multiplication. So we're going to use the formula 2 sine A cos B. And next term is it like in the form of cos A cos B. So we'll use the formula 2 cos A cos B. In this formula, we can get the other one, like send the 2 to other side means you will get 2 sin A sin B is equals to half of sin A plus B. Nothing but addition of the two values, sin of A minus B, subtraction of the two values. So our first step will be 1 by 2 times sin of addition of both will be 30 plus subtraction of both 12 minus 1 by 2 times cos. Here if you add both of them 84 plus 6 it will become 90 plus when you subtract those two 84 and 6 when you subtract you will get 78. So cos 78. So now we'll give that values inside. Okay, first 1 by 2 times sin 30 means what, 1 by 2 plus sin 12 minus 1 by 2 times cos 90. Cos 90 is 0 plus this cos 78. Let me rewrite it as cos of 90 minus 12. So when you give that 1 by 2 inside now, it will become 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 times sin 12. This is minus of cos 90 minus 12 supposed to be. So in next step, what can I do? 1 by 4 plus if I take 1 by 2 common out, it will be sin 12 minus again sin 12. So cos 90 minus theta is sin. So 12 sin 12 and sin 12 get cancelled 0. So you will finally have 1 by 4. So option 1 for the first question. Next one. Same thing, what formula we used there, same thing we'll use sin A cos B, and here sin A sin B is also there. So both formulas will use. In sin A sin B alone, you need to know that first you will get difference of them. So we'll write the formula sin A cos B. Sin A cos B means 1 by 2 times sin of addition of both plus sin of subtraction of both the angles. Then sin A sin B 1 by 2 times cos of subtraction of the angles minus cos of addition of two angles. So when we use it for the numerator, it will come 1 by 2 times sin 18 plus sin 0 divided by 1 by 2 times cos 36 minus cos 60. Okay, then you cancel 1 by 2, 1 by 2 you can cancel, numerator it will become sin 18 divided by cos 36 minus cos 30. So by this you can directly do, because why? Because we know the value of sin 18 degree. Sin 18 degree is root 5 minus 1 by 4. You know the value of cos 36 also. Cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 by 4. And you know cos 60. Cos 60 means 1 by 2. So when you substitute, you will get root 5 minus 1 by 4 divided by root 5 plus 1 divided by 4 minus 1 by 2. So when you take LCM, denominator will be 4, root 5 plus 1 minus 2 will be there. In numerator, root 5 minus 1 by 4 will be as it is. So your numerator is root 5 minus 1 by 4 times 4 divided by root 5 minus 1. That plus 1 minus 1 will be there. This and this cancel. So overall answer 1. Overall answer 1. Option 2. Next one. Same formula. Okay. But sin C plus D. What we used in that after 10, 11, 12 and all will be there. No. So what is sin C plus sin D formula? Sin C plus sin D. What is sin C plus sin D? 2 times sine of addition of both divided by 2. C plus D divided by 2 into cos of C minus D divided by 2. Denominator is okay. We didn't want this one. We'll want sin C and cos D. Sin C and cos D means we need to have formulas based upon convert that sin cos D also into sin. Then you can use for the numerator. Similarly, denominator also you have both of them in one is cos, one is sin. You can convert one of them to cos or sin and then you can apply the formula. So cos C plus cos D will be, what is your cos C, cos C, cos D means 2 times cos of addition of two angles divided by 2, cos of subtraction of two angles divided by 2. So what is your first step numerator? First you will convert sin 70 plus cos 40, you write like 90 minus 50 divided by cos 70 plus sine of 90 minus 50. So by complementary angles, you can write sine 70 plus sine 50 divided by cos 70 plus cos 50. So now when you apply the formula, 2 times sine of addition of both 70 plus 50 divided by 2, it will become 120 by 260. Subtraction 70 minus 50 by 2, 20 by 2. Okay, so it will become 10. So this is nothing but 2 times sin 60 into cos 10 divided by 2 times cos 60 into cos 10. So 2 and 2 cancel, cos 10 cancel. So sin 60 by cos 60. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Cos 60 value 1 by 2. This and this cancel, 1 by, root 3. So we'll choose option 2. Next question. Cos of 6 degree is there, sine of 24 is there, and again cos. So first any other connection is there, you check. Here it is in 24 72. So a 6 is there. So what I can do now, I can write that 6 as cos 6. I can write 90 minus 84. Remaining things, sine of 24 into cos 72. So this is nothing but cos 90 minus 84. Cos 90 minus 84 means what we can write? Sin 84 into sin 24 into cos 72. What is this? Sine of AB is there. Okay. Under product is there. You can add and 1 by 2 times you can add and use that formula, or you can write this is nothing but 54 plus 30 into sine of 54 minus 30. One special case is this. We can have a one special formula for this is sin A plus B into sin A minus B. In this transformation we studied only multiplication of angles. This will be sin square A minus sin square B. So when you use this, you will get sin square 54 minus sin square 30 into cos 72 degrees. Now almost everything we know. Okay, why? Because cos 72 degrees is equals to root 5 minus 1 by 4 we have, and sin 54 we need. Sin 54 is nothing but root 5 plus 1 by 4, and the sin 30 we already have 1 by 2. So root 5 plus 1 by 4 the whole square minus 1 by 2 the whole square multiplied with root 5 minus 1 by 4. When you simplify, first one will be root 5 into root 5, a plus b whole square 5 plus 1 6. Okay, here 2 root 5 divided by 16 minus 1 by 4 times root 5 minus 1 by 4. So this is nothing but 6 plus 2 root 5 by 16 minus, if you take LCM now, 4 by 16 it will be there. So into root 5 minus 1 by 4. So this will be 6 minus 4. Okay, 6 minus 4, if you come in the numerators, you will get 2 plus 2 root 5 by 16 into root 5 minus 1 by 4. Take 2 common out. Root 5 plus 1 into root 5 minus 1 divided by 16 into 4. So numerator will be 2 into a plus b a minus b whole square formula. If you use, you will get 5 minus 1 divided by 16 into 4. This 4 and 4 cancel, this and this cancel, 8. So answer is 1 by 8. Can you understand? So fifth one, they gave a plus b plus c equals to 270. 270 means 3 into 90. It's 3 pi by 2. Means a plus b is nothing but 3 pi by 2 minus c. Very, very important result. We will use inside, okay? So let's start with cos of 2a plus cos of 2b plus cos of 2c plus 4 times sin A, sin B and sin C. For the first two, if you apply the formula, you will get what? 2 times cos of addition of two angles and divided by 2. If you do, you will get 2 times cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. Then for cos 2 angle, we will get 1 minus 2 sin square C. That 4 sin A, sin B, sin C. Now first one, a plus b is there right here. Instead of this a plus b, we'll substitute 3 pi by 2 minus c. So you will have 2 times cos of 3 pi by 2 minus c into cos a minus b plus 1 minus sin c, sin square c plus 4 times those sin a, sin b, sin c. Now this cos of 3 pi by 2c, this lies in between second quadrant to third quadrant. Sorry, third quadrant only. So here it will become negative. So minus 2 sin c cos of a minus b plus 1 minus, this is 1 minus 2 sin square c, 1 minus 2 sin square c plus 4 sin A, sin B, sin C. So from this term and this term alone, you take, first we will try that one. From these two terms, you take 2 sin C common. You left over with cos A minus B, and again you left over with plus sin C. Okay, so plus 4 times sin A, sin B, sin C. So 1 minus 2 sin C into this sin C I can replace with cos of A plus B. How means here this beginning itself you have, if you take apply cos on both sides, means cos A plus B equals to cos of 3 pi by 2 minus C. Okay, so this is minus cos C, not minus, sorry, sin C. This is minus sin C. So sin C means we can replace minus cos A plus B and here plus cos A minus B. So remaining terms as usual, 4 times sin A, sin B, sin C. So 1 minus 2 sin C into, you will have 2 times sin A, sin B. So when you multiply, you will get 4 times sin A, sin B, sin C. This and this cancel. Final answer is 1. So your option 2. We'll go to sixth one. Sine 5 alpha minus 3 alpha, and denominator also you have few things that let me rearrange. For numerator, if I apply the formula now, you will get 2 times addition of both and divide by 2. If you add both, you will get 2 alpha, that you divide by 2, you will get 2 sine alpha by cos of, subtract both and sorry, first one only subtraction, next one you add and 2, you will get cos of 4 alpha divided by denominator cos 5 alpha plus cos 3 alpha, you have it one side, 2 cos 4 alpha, you move it to the last. So numerator is 2 sin alpha and cos 4 alpha divided by, for denominator these two, if you apply the formula, you will get 2 times cos 4 alpha into cos alpha plus 2 times cos 4 alpha. So both of them have 2 times cos 4 alpha. If you take common, you will get cos alpha plus 1. Numerator will be 2 times sin alpha into cos 4 alpha. 2 and 2 cancel, cos 4 cancel. You will have sin alpha divided by cos alpha plus 1. So when you write this in double angle formula, okay, sine 2 angle, there is one formula. What is that sine 2 angle formula? Sine 2 theta equals to 2 times sine theta cos theta. So you can write for sine theta as 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Similarly, 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. Now, if it is half angle, 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. Now, when you apply this here, 2 sine alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2 divided by 2 times cos square alpha by 2. 2 and 2 cancel, cos square and cos cancel, cos is there, cos square on denominator, you have cos alpha by 2, numerator sin alpha by 2, overall answer tan alpha by 2. Overall answer tan alpha by 2. So one more question. They are asking you about, they gave a relation for m and n. So what is m by n is tan of theta plus 120 by tan of theta minus 30. So these two things are in ratio, so we'll apply componendo dividendo. A by b equals to c by d now. Componendo and dividendo is a plus b by a minus b equal to c plus d by c minus d, or vice versa. Numerator also can be minus, denominator also can be in minus. So any one of them will give in positive, one of them in negative. So when you apply componendo dividendo, your left hand side will come m plus n by m minus n. Same thing you need to give it in here also. Tan of theta plus 120 minus tan of theta minus 30 degree, plus, sorry, plus in the numerator here, tan theta plus 120 minus tan of theta minus 30. Is it okay? So tan of here a plus b and a, not a plus b, a minus b format also it is not there. So you need to convert that. Okay. So write it in cos format, cos a cos b, and take LCM. That is sin theta plus 120 by cos theta plus 120. Here sin theta minus 30 by cos theta minus 30. Here also sin theta plus 120 by cos theta plus 120. In between you will have minus sin theta sin theta minus 30 by cos theta minus 30. If you cross multiply and take LCM, sine of theta plus 120 into cos of theta minus 30 plus sine theta minus 30 into cos theta plus 120. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B divided by what you will get? Cos theta plus 120 into cos theta minus 30 whole divided by sin theta plus 120 into cos of theta minus 30 in between minus sin theta minus 30 same thing, everything same will come, but the term between sign will own plus and minus in the numerator and denominator. Cos of theta plus 120 into cos of theta minus 30. So now if we cancel denominator cancel, we will get sin A, you check here sin A cos B, same term sin A cos B means here cos A sin B. So you can rewrite this as sin of A plus B. Denominator sin of A minus will come. Can you understand? Theta plus 120 minus theta minus of minus plus 30 will be there. So numerator you will have sin of 2 theta plus 90 divided by sin of theta and this theta gets cancelled 150. So we can rewrite that as sin 90 plus theta is nothing but cos 2 theta divided by this is sin 150 and 30 also equal. If you didn't understand, you can write one more step, 90 plus 60 or 180 minus 30. It's very easy. Sin 180 minus 30. So next step it will be cos of 2 theta by sin of 30. What is sin 30? 1 by 2 times cos 2 theta. So, oh sorry, 1 by 2 in the denominator. So you'll get 2 times cos 2 theta. Where is the answer? Option B.